Member for Noosa.
Thank you, Acting Speaker. The Office of the Information Commissioner, or OIC, is an independent statutory body whose primary role, as we have heard, is to promote access to government-held information and also protect Queenslanders' personal information as held by government agencies. The Legal Affairs and Safety Committee's oversight role involves monitoring and reviewing the performance of the office and examining the annual reports as tabled in Parliament. Acting Speaker, the review of decisions made under the Right to Information, or RTI, and the Information Privacy Act, IP, showed the 2020-21 a record number of external review applications on top of the previous year's high, with a total of 787, which is a 26% increase in 2 years. This ever-increasing workload could be at the heart of the agency not quite meeting its set goals of finalising all reviews and a decrease in satisfaction of applicants, which was under the 70% target. Concerning is the ever-increasing median time to finalise reviews at 126 days, which is well above the 90-day target and an increase by 7 days from the previous year. Acting Speaker, whilst the Information Commissioner has advised she is examining the key drivers of the increase in demand, it may be timely for government to consider what funding is provided to the office and whether a substantial increase is required. This alongside additional training across departments to ensure correct interpretation and implementation of RTI and IP across government is occurring. The Privacy Commissioner also commented on needing key legislative reform to ensure that notifiable breaches are reported more effectively and to ensure the integrity of the overall system of privacy and security. An important part of the oversight process was the public hearing held with representatives from the OIC, including the Privacy Commissioner, the Information Commissioner and the Acting Right to Information Commissioner. Discussions surrounded the growth in demand for services, finalisation rates, voluntary notification schemes, human error in facilitating ransomware attacks and the importance of continuing reforms to ensure the legislative framework is contemporary and meets the needs of all users. It was pleasing to hear that there has been an increase in staffing for this financial year to help deal with the high demand and file load. With a strategic review due in May 2022, it would be timely to check on the efficacy of the agency's efforts to proactively work on demand drivers and their work across departments to increase competency and core understandings of the systems. Acting Speaker, at the hearing, the need for legislative clarity on secondary use of the Queensland Check-in app was raised. We all understand that it has been an important tool previously to stay on top of COVID outbreaks, however currently has minimised use. With projected future waves and potential variants, if it continues to be utilised in any form, Queenslanders must trust it and see its value, or they won't use it. Ultimately, we need to know that Queenslanders' privacy is upheld and won't be on-sold either within or outside of government. As always, I would like to thank the Commissioner, Office and departmental representatives for their ongoing efforts and insights into their work, as well as willingness to provide open and accountable answers to all of our questions. Thank you also to our Chair, fellow committee members and the committee's secretariat for their work in ensuring our committee fulfils its oversight responsibilities. I commend the report to the House. Thank you.
Speaker,
I call